On action.
So today I'll play Roomba Ball. Instructions down below. So let's get started.
Ok rồi, xong rồi đi. Đi bây giờ, xong rồi. Xong chưa?
5. Okay. It's Amanda's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Haley's your turn. 1. You can control it. 2, 1. Okay, Amanda's your turn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Haley's your turn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amanda's your turn. How you control it, just go right in front of it and it'll come to you. Okay, Haley's your turn. You know, you can go past the blue line. 4, 3, 2, 1. Amanda's your turn. No, Haley, you can't do it no more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Haley's your turn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Amanda's your turn. You go past the line. 5, 4, 3, 2. Haley, no, you can't do that. Penalty. 5. Amanda, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Amanda's your turn. 5. No, Haley's your turn. 4. You can touch it now, man. Yeah, Haley. Amanda won. No, Haley won. Wait, don't do that, Amanda. If it's not your turn, you can't block it. Okay. Okay, Haley. Haley, go ahead and get it to. Okay, 5. You can continue. 5. Keep on getting it to go Amanda's way, and then just get it to go Amanda's way, so we can finish the film.
Giờ còn quay phim gì nữa không? Video gì nữa không? Quay phim. Đang quay phim.
Okay. You won.
So I won has Amanda's one. So we must start by.